Embark on a tantalizing journey to the breathtaking landscapes of Peru in our video, Taste of the Andes, a culinary adventure through Peruvian ceviche. Join us as we explore the diverse culture, vibrant markets, and the irresistible allure of one of Peru's most iconic dishes, ceviche. Our adventure begins in the bustling streets of Lima, where the fresh scent of ocean breezes mingles with the zesty aroma of lime and chili. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Peruvian cuisine as we delve into the artistry of crafting this beloved culinary masterpiece. As we uncover the culinary magic behind Peruvian ceviche, you'll witness the expert hands of local chefs at work. Tender cubes of fresh fish or seafood are marinated in citrus juices, enlivened with chili peppers, and garnished with vibrant herbs. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that embodies the essence of Peru. But ceviche is more than just a dish, it's a reflection of Peru's diverse regions and cultural heritage. We'll take you on a sensory journey, from the coastal towns where seafood ceviche reigns supreme to the high-altitude regions where unique ingredients like river trout take center stage. Discover the significance of ceviche in Peruvian culture, where it's not just a meal but a celebration of the bounty of the sea and the traditions of the Andes. It's a dish that brings people together, fostering a sense of community, festivity, and pride. Taste of the Andes is not just a video, it's a tribute to the culinary traditions, diverse landscapes, and the spirit of Peru. Join us as we savor every moment of this culinary adventure through ceviche, and experience the artistry and passion that have made this dish a symbol of Peruvian culture. Prepare to be inspired, educated, and transported to the vibrant streets and breathtaking landscapes of Peru by the captivating stories and exquisite flavors that await you in Taste of the Andes, a culinary adventure through Peruvian ceviche.